Life, it's a bit like a roller coaster. Ups and downs, twists and turns. You never quite know what's around the corner. Sometimes it's a beautiful sunrise, filling with your hope. Other times it's a storm testing your strength. But through it all, it's about the journey, the experiences, the people you meet along the way. It's about learning, growing, and finding your path. And most important, it's about making the most of every moment. So yeah, life is a roller coaster. Enjoy the ride. Nature is the art of God. The fragrance of flowers and the joy of greenery make life vibrant. Every corner of the earth beautiful. One just needs a loving gaze to see it. Trees, plants, flowers are the best gifts of nature. Nature is like that mother who, even in pain, always prioritize the well-being of her children. Respect every breath and owes its existence of love and nature. It's foolish to desire progress of any kind of without respecting nature. जिंदगी कल नहीं थी, जिंदगी कल नहीं होगी, जिंदगी इसी वक्त है, at this moment, इसी पल, ये जो पल है, this is the only moment, this is the only life, that's it. Loving and serving nature should be the duty of every human being. If there is nature, there is humanity. If there is no nature, the future of humanity is also in danger. The world is beautiful and nature is beautiful. This world seems like paradise. Your time is limited. Don't waste it for those. Difficulties often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. The brightest stars appear in the dark nights itself. The one who falls and goes scared is the warrior. Believe in yourself and you can achieve anything. Self-confidence is the dress you can wear and win the world. Don't let fear kill your dreams. Life is a journey, not destination. There is a new opportunity every life. Happiness is everything. Happiness is a choice. Inspiration is one that makes you start. The happy is one that continues you. Inspiration comes from inside. Don't find it out. So, success is a journey, not destination. तो दोस्तों, याद रखिए, हर दिन एक नया मौका है। अपनी सीमाओं को चुनौती दें, अपने सपनों का पीछा करें और कभी हार ना माने। आप जो भी बनना चाहते हो बन सकते हैं। बस विश्वास रखिए, मेहनत करिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए, क्योंकि आपकी सफलता आपकी ही मेहनत पर निर्भर करती है। धन्यवाद।